Have you ever noticed that major brands sell you emotions, not products? But what if I told you that one of the biggest companies in the world hacked your brain without you even realizing it? In 2009, Coca-Cola launched Open Happiness, a seemingly innocent campaign that had just one goal: to make you emotionally addicted to the product. And guess what? It worked. How did they hack your subconscious? They used happiness as a drug. Coca-Cola didn't just sell you a soda, they sold you a feeling. Every time you wanted to feel good, your subconscious had already made the connection. Drink Coca-Cola. They trapped you with neuromarketing, cheerful music, vibrant colors, positive messages. All of these triggered dopamine release in your brain. They made you feel part of something bigger. It wasn't just about you. Coca-Cola told you happiness comes from sharing moments with others, and you agreed. The result? Sales skyrocketed in 2010, Coca-Cola strengthened its position as a global leader, and you kept believing you were happy while drinking a sugar-loaded soda. But are you really? I'm Emilia Voicu, a digital marketing consultant with over 10 years of experience, and my mission is to reveal the hidden strategies brands use to take your money, and give you clear tactics you can use to grow your own business. Want to know how to use this strategy even if you don't have Coca-Cola's budget? Alright, listen up. Coca-Cola didn't just sell you a drink, they planted an emotion in your mind: happiness. If a small business wants to apply this strategy, it needs to use the same principles on a smaller scale, but just as smart. How can you implement the open happiness strategy for your business? Find your own happiness. What emotion do you want people to associate with your brand? It doesn't have to be happiness. It could be safety, exclusivity, or even courage. Running a hair salon? You're not selling haircuts, you're selling confidence. Own a coffee shop? You're not selling coffee, you're selling that quiet morning moment. Build a clear, memorable message. Coca-Cola had open happiness. What's yours? Create a slogan that quickly conveys the emotion you want to inspire. Examples: clothing brand, wear your courage. Bakery, the smell of childhood. Coaching business, become the best version of you. Use emotional content in your marketing. Coca-Cola used ads filled with smiles, positive music, and family scenes. You can do the same with your social media posts. Use testimonials, real client stories, and images that trigger emotion. Create a recognizable experience. Coca-Cola's red color and font are unmistakable. How can your brand stand out? Maybe with distinctive packaging? A unique way of wrapping products? A one-of-a-kind atmosphere in your store? Coca-Cola was never just about bottles, it was about shared moments. Create a campaign that encourages customers to interact. A unique hashtag on social media. A contest where people share how your product improved their life. A special offer for those who bring their friends. Real example. A small cookie shop applied this strategy by launching a campaign called The Taste of Childhood. They used vintage imagery, traditional recipes, and encouraged clients to share memories of their grandmother's homemade cookies. The result? A 400% increase in sales in just 6 months. Now it's your turn. You don't need billions to make your brand unforgettable. You just need to sell an emotion, not a product. In the next episode, I'll reveal the most subtle yet deadly strategy brands use to make you spend money without realizing it. Trust me, you'll be able to use it too.